Guys, 13, and today's video is going to be unboxing. Let me take off my glasses because then you have this weird glare and it's like, oh my god, I don't like my face without my glasses. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Ultimate Rewards Diamond Box. I am now a Diamond member at Ulta. I actually went like 2 weeks ago and then they told me, okay, so I was looking at my receipt and then like I noticed that the receipt said 20 something more dollars to be Diamond member, and I'm like, oh my god, that's so cool. Like, and I was like, oh my god, I'm a diamond. I used to be a platinum, now I'm gonna be a diamond. So I went to go get a box dye to get highlights, but you can't even tell they're in my hair. But yeah, that's when they told me you're a diamond member now, and I was like, oh my god, you really? Like, the girl, like, I know the cashier personally. Like, I don't know her personally, but like that's one of the cashiers that I know now. And then she was like, you're diamond now, and I'm like, oh my god, really? I'm diamond? And she was like, yeah, girl, you're diamond. And I'm like, oh my god, I'm diamond. And I was having like a little fam basic girl white moment. But yeah, and then I got the email the next day. I went on like a Sunday or a Saturday and I got my box, and here I am, a box. Okay, I'm a horrible unboxer, but I knew it had this one thing where I was like, I need that because I needed it to get my hair done. And then I was like, I don't have time to film though because my family was here, and in my last video you guys could hear all my family, and this is more of a talky video. So then I was like, I can't have my family in the background talking. Let's just get right on to the video, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and share my channel and my videos with your friends and family so that way we could make the Pink Eyes family grow. I haven't done that in forever. It's a pink box. It's like a matte sleek finish. It says Ultimate Rewards Diamonds. The diamond life starts now. Welcome. I surely am welcomed. Then it came like plastic, just says Ulta Ultimate Rewards thingy, and we unbox it like bam. Okay, so right here it had a $25 off any like beauty service, and I used it on my hair to get my hair straightened out and cut. I recently cut 2 inches off my hair and I got it flat iron on Christmas Eve. So I used it on that. So I get this little pamphlet in the box that says, congrats, you're a diamond. Welcome to the top, our brand new exclusive. I sound so bougie saying that. A group of beauty's biggest fans. Special, extra sparkly, just like me, glittery AF. Perks are coming your way. So then it tells you like the benefits, the differences. Okay, so check out what's yours, all yours. Okay, so I get 1.5 points faster. I only points 50% faster. Okay, that's good because I'm always using, like, Ulta never, yo, I bought my mom's Christmas gift and I got so many discounts. Like, everything was almost half off. Like the Christmas gifts, the discounts of $5 off, how many points I had totaled up. It's like a check that should have came up to like $70 came out to be 40. Like, you know, breakfast at Tiffany's, breakfast at Ulta, girl. Because you know how Audrey's like, oh, Tiffany never fails me? It's like Ulta never fails me. Okay. And then it says I get free shipping on orders over $25. I never online shop. I feel like if I online shop, like something bad's gonna happen. I'm just gonna be like, every year I get $25 reward cards on a braid with service. I already used mine though. So as a normal member.
So just to be a normal member, you don't have to have a specific amount spent to be a member. Okay, and then you earn 1 point per dollar. So it's like $1 is 1 point. And then you get a free birthday gift as a member. And then you get double points on your birthday month. Okay, as a normal member, and that's it.
Then as a platinum member, which I was a sad platinum member for a really long time, for like 2-3 years straight, and it's like, but then this year I'm a diamond member. Thanks mom and dad for all that guap.
Okay, so to be a platinum member you have to spend $450 per calendar year, and you get 1.25 points faster, 25% faster. You get a free birthday gift, okay, and you get twice as many points for your birthday. Okay, same as a member, but then you get 2 more perks. You get a $10 birthday coupon, and then my points never expire.
Here comes me, like, I need to pull out like my Chanel glasses and be like the diamond member. Okay, so as a diamond member, you have to spend 1,200. Okay, so you get 1.5, 50% points earned faster. You get a free birthday gift. You get twice as many perks as your birthday. Get the $10 coupon, and your points never expire. Okay, same for the platinum member, but then you get 2 more perks, which is you get the free shipping for like more than $25, and then you get the $25 beauty service card. So let's open up the box for more goodies. Ooh, so I got the professional pore primer, and then I got the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and just a little like these little cute like stringy thingies. Oh my god, this one's really nice. This one's like the holographic with the white. I like this. It's a pore primer. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it. It's the Benefit one. Oh my god, it's a little mini one. You guys seen have you guys seen Christine Dominique's video on like the using the mini makeup? Like, this isn't even trial size. This is mini like. And then I have no clue like mascara trial sizes. It's pretty small. Like, I see it a lot like on YouTube. Do I think it's worth being a platinum diamond member? I'm not gonna say yeah, spend 1,200, just some silly little title that's only gonna get you free shipping and a $25 beauty service card. You obviously don't need the $25 if you're able to spend 1,200 per year. So it's like, don't do it just to have the silly little title. Do it because you genuinely just like makeup and you're genuinely in a good position to spend 1,200 every year. So would I say is it worth it? I wouldn't say it's worth it. Probably these perks would be a little nicer on somebody like a platinum member and like a little bit like higher perks for being diamond. I'm so sorry, like my phone like is weird. Like it gets like these like you see like the light there, it gets like all weird. It's like, well, I also hope you had a Merry Christmas because I got a hoverboard and I feel like I'm gonna fall to my face if I don't practice enough. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Oh, that's so cool. Today's unboxing. I think I've never done like an unboxing video. That's so cool. Like the reviews, but this is like unboxing. You know what I mean? See you very soon, MERMAYNICORN. God bless you.
Stop me on the corner. Swear you hit me like a vision. I wasn't expecting. But who am I to tell fate where it's supposed to go with it? Don't you blink, you might miss it. See, we got a right to just love it or leave it. You find it and keep it, 'cause it ain't every day you get the chance to say